Welcome to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. Thanks for stopping by. Today I've got an unbagging of a previously built kit. This one here was from 1976. I still remember the day I built this one. It says it's a 74 Duster. That's what I have written on the bag. I'll have to look inside here and try to verify that. So far, out of all the ones that I've taken out of the bag, this one seems to be in the best condition. Let's see here. Paint wasn't the greatest, but again, it was 1976. I was 11 years old, so you cut me some slack there, alright? This one here says Smokey on the rear bumper, which I'll show you why that is in a minute. There's something else in there. Oh, the firewall has come off and gotten placed inside the car so it wouldn't get lost. Yep, that would go down in there. Well, you know where a firewall goes. I'm not going to fight with it at the moment. And this one had pipes coming out the sides. There's something else coming out of there. Oh, and there's a parachute. I always liked this one. When I was a little guy, I had all these kits displayed, and I had a candle burning about, I don't know, 5 inches away from this kit. And I walked away and got distracted for a minute. When I came back, the heat from that candle actually melted this quarter panel a little bit right there. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera. I was very fortunate that I didn't burn my room down, and my parents, I'm sure, were happy about that too. Always kind of bummed me out, but boy, that sticks out like you wouldn't believe. That it's dangerous to keep a candle. It's too close to plastic and flammable things. Yep. Looks like a 426 in there. That'll definitely push this car along, eh? Well, here's the bottom. Nothing fancy. Like I said, I was 11 or 12 years old when I built this. Yep. And the hood goes on. I'll just put these pieces back in there for now. And the instructions, this kit was called it was an MPC kit. It was called Smokey, and it came out in 1976. And the reason it was called Smokey is because well, there you go. That'll tell you why right there. It was marketed as a patrol car. And I don't know if you can see it, but it says police in white right there, and then a 12 for the number. And the kit itself, when it was finished, was supposed to have, you know, the bubblegum lights on the top. It had a hood scoop for a stock engine. I cut it out and put the blower through there. Yep. The 76, I think, is prior. Yeah, that's before the Smokey and the Bandit movie. So I don't know what was going on in 76 or 75 where police cars were really popular, I guess. I don't know. That was a long time ago. But here it is. And when you get a special offer, you get, hey, good buddies, here it is. Get the special Smokey shoulder patch from MPC. Now that would be cool to see, hey? This is a full 3-color embroidered patch. Sew it on your jacket, your coat, or anything. It's a big 10-4. For each patch, merely fill out the coupon and mail it along with $1 to Smokey Shoulder Patch, Mount Clemens, Michigan. I'll be darned. How cool is that? Yeah. Well, there you go, folks. And here's a little list of some CB lingo. Pretty cool. Yep. That's a blast from the past, my friends. Alrighty. Well, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you don't mind, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Help me grow the channel. I appreciate it. I know you get tired of hearing it over and over, but you know I got to say it for the new people. I want to thank all my current subscribers. I appreciate your support. Have yourselves a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.